Hi, everybody. This is Maureen from Landis Properties, your Ashburn, Loudoun County Realtor. Today, we're doing something a little bit different, things to maintain your home as a homeowner and products I like to use. So first, I'm showing you this washing machine cleaner that you can get on Amazon. I'll try to remember to link it in the comments below, but you use it every so often to take care of your machine. True story, just recently I had some home sellers who actually ended up having to have a little bit of an unexpected closing cost because their washing machine broke right before settlement. So this is just one way that you can take care of your machine so it runs better for you and is less costly with repairs. And as you can see, I'm just doing some laundry. Do any of you hire out your laundry services? I've been reading a lot lately about people who either get their laundry sent out, or I guess they could have someone come in to do it. I am all about getting help, but for some reason, laundry, I would prefer to do it myself. Let me know. And then we have our sweet pets napping while I'm taking care of the chores. That's how they help. They keep me company. Let me know if you have cats or dogs or fish. My kids reminded me, I told them when my grandmom was raising my mom, they had a pet alligator. So next up, speaking of animals, is Blueland. Have you tried Blueland? I saw this on Shark Tank. I'm a big fan of Shark Tank. I ended up getting the Disney collaboration edition. And the reason that I went ahead and tried Blueland is one, because I am a Shark Tank fan and they sponsored this one. I think it was Mr. Wonderful. But we were visiting the beach, which I love, and I love all animals. I wish I could save every single animal. And we saw some plastic on the beach, and there was a mom talking to her kid and saying, like, yeah, this injured, I don't remember if it was a turtle or what it was, but some animal was injured. I think it probably was a seagull. That makes the most sense. Was saying they probably ate some plastic. So long story short, the whole story behind Blueland is to use reusable tabs. So those little tabs you put in these bottles, reusable bottles, and then you just reorder the tabs. So it's just water and then tabs. So like that one is the glass cleaner. There's a multi-surface cleaner. You just put that little tab in there. And like I said, this one is like the Disney collaboration. So if you like Disney, oh yeah. And then right there, I just thought I'll try to remember to put this link too, because I think you get a discount. Magic Candle Company. I just discovered them recently, and it's all of the smells of Disney World. It's essential oils is what I get, but they have other products too with the scent. So that's awesome. But anyway, Blueland, that's their dish soap. So instead of like rebuying the dish soap, you don't have to rebuy the containers. You just rebuy the product and it mixes with water. Since I've been using it for a while, that actually might be my favorite. I mean, I like all of them. The only thing I would say that I don't like so far is that little Mickey hand soap bottle. The pump gets stuck. So I'll see if I can rinse it out and that will help. But they give you the reusable tins. So if you get this like value pack, the starter pack, you get multi-surface cleaner, laundry detergent tabs, dishwasher tabs, toilet tabs. Those are the toilet tabs. They actually smell really good. They're lemony. You just put it right in and it dissolves. If you go back and watch the Shark Tank episode, the person who invented them I think she is like chemist or something. She seems really smart. She's a mom. And speaking of mom stuff, I also get HelloFresh sometimes. So I'm a big YouTube fan. I watch a lot of YouTubers, and a lot of them get like sponsorships from HelloFresh. I'm not sponsored or anything like that. I just get them sometimes. I don't get them all the time. I go off and on. Usually I order them when I'm having a busy season and I know that I'm going to need like some help, kind of like talking about hiring out laundry. It's like a little bit of like hiring out the food prep part. So if you don't know about HelloFresh, you probably do, but they send you recipes and then all of the measured out ingredients. So you're still making it yourself, but it's super easy, no waste. You don't have to go out and buy weird ingredients. I don't get it all the time. And you can like pause your subscription. You can order different amounts. Like you can order it for 2 people, for 4 people. You can order extras. Yeah, and you can let it pause. And then there have been a couple times that like I just ordered the ingredients and I ended up kind of even altering the recipe a little bit. Like there, you can see we went to the farmer's market. You can add stuff that you have yourself to make it a little bit different. But HelloFresh is, I would give it a thumbs up. I haven't tried any of the other meal prep options. What about you guys? Let me know. Put it in the comments if there's something we should try. All right, so for some reason my outro didn't record my voice. Sorry, the audio is a little bit weird with this one, but I think I'm probably just saying thanks for watching. If you need real estate help, reach out, but otherwise let me know if you have ideas for other videos, and I hope you have a great day.